Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add the apply to join to your server. So people need to apply to your server before joining. So if you go to your server, go to server settings here and go to the I'm like forgetting where it is, sorry. Oh, access, sorry. It's in access. It says, how can people join your server? Invite only, apply to join, and discoverable. So if you go to apply to join, it says here you can ask 5 questions. It says, why do you want to join our server? You can kind of change the question as well. Then you're going to also add another question. You can select between short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and server rules. So here I'm going to add a multiple choice. So for instance, what's your favorite color? And then you can add some options here like pink and then green and then save. So you can also add in these example questions. Then I'm just going to select apply from profile, save changes, and then for people to be able to join your server, they need to apply to join. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!